I wanted to gain international experience primarily to work and to live in another country and to give myself the challenge of settling in, making new friends, being away from home, having, I suppose, more independence.
I felt like I could take on new challenges both professionally and personally.
From a people management perspective, I get to understand people's culture and background a lot better, so when you're going and dealing with clients face to face, you can help them support them better.
You get to meet people from a diverse array of international cities, and by engaging with them, even a simple discussion over lunch, you get to understand the different diversities, business norms.
Being in a different country with new colleagues, new clients, made me in a position to learn something different.
I've had a few international assignments with PwC. I've been to PwC in New York for a 3-month assignment, followed by another 3-month assignment with PwC in the Netherlands. And I suppose following on from that and how much I enjoyed that, I chose to go on a 2-year assignment with PwC in Australia, which ultimately ended up being 4 years.
The international experience helped me to improve a lot of different skills.
It is worth it. You have so little to lose and so much to experience and gain.
I would definitely recommend the Middle East as a great place to work within a global context and to learn and develop.
It's helped me to grow both personally and professionally.
I feel my international experience has had a 100% positive benefit on my career. I really feel that I've learned so much by working with different people from different cultures, and professionally it was great to come back and be promoted to director.
The main benefit is from change. It's then when you learn how to adapt.
You will really experience so much, meet new people, professionally you will grow, so really I think it's worth it.
The 2-year experience has broadened my horizon, and it gives me a competitive edge.
It's probably the exposure that I've gotten to just network firms all across the world, and also the people that I've worked with.
This is very important, especially at the first stage of the international experience when you have to set up.
The best thing for me is the opportunities that are being given to the female staff, and that has encouraged me to be more open-minded and courageous.
It's very helpful and also very interesting to explore different approaches.
I do think my international assignment, particularly my long-term assignment, was critical in terms of my admission as a partner. I think, again, it gave me a huge amount of confidence. It gave me new experiences. It gave me opportunities to bring things back to my home office.
I would say go for it, because everything you learn is priceless.
It is something that is life-changing, and so you do need to think about it and plan it, but overall it's so worthwhile, and I'm so glad I did it.
Before I joined PwC, I never imagined that I will have a chance to work overseas.
What I would say to any woman who's hesitant or concerned about doing an international experience or secondment is that thinking about it is a lot harder than actually doing it.
I describe my international experience as friendships,
Growth,
Daunting,
Challenging,
Rewarding,
Unforgettable,
Really exciting.
Hard work.
Challenging.
confidence.
new friendships.
exciting.
diversified.
empowering.
rewarding.
Definitely a bit challenging.
Fascinating.
And most importantly, life-changing.